consider the Mohr circle shown below. So what is the state of stress represented by the circle? Okay, for this you don't need to, in the examination, that is where you get the extra time. Where is that? Some of the questions are like direct from our already derived, what is that, results. For example, here, what is happening here? This is a circle. In the circle, when will you get this type of circle? When there is only pure shear. Whenever there is a pure shear. So here in this option, where is the pure shear? Whenever the normal stresses are become 0, then only you will get the pure shear. So only option B is matching that. So option B you get, and then you mark the option B and just move on to the other question. Okay. If you don't remember this, then how to draw Mohr circle? How to check this Mohr circle for a different thing? Okay. For example, I will take the option A here. Option A here, sigma x is 0. For example, I want to draw point A. Point A is always the point A is in terms of the sigma x comma tau, and the point B is sigma y comma minus tau. Okay, you remember this. So I need to let's take in the as like them. I will take in the upper direction in this case. So sigma x is 0. X A is 0 comma 0. 0 comma 0 is this point A. Okay, and B is some value non-zero comma 0. Non-zero comma 0 means somewhere here. Understood? Okay, point B is here. Non-zero comma 0. Sigma y is, this is for the option A. So the circle should pass through these two, then it would be like this. But it is not matching. Okay. So option A is not correct. And coming to the option B. Option B, sigma x, sigma y both 0 and tau is not 0. So here A will become 0 comma tau. 0 comma tau means 0 comma tau. Point A will become here. Point E, sorry, upper side. Point A, because it is a positive to the upper side in this case. A is here. And here B will become 0 comma minus tau. So point B is here. So if I draw this, then it is exactly matching with whatever answer given. Okay, this is the option for the B. And what's about option C? For the option C, what is happening? Point A is, what is the point A? 0 comma tau. And then what is the point B? Okay, some sigma comma tau, non-zero. So how to draw this? A is 0 comma tau. 0 and then tau is here. So point A is this. And where is the B? B is a tau comma sigma comma tau. This is minus. Okay, somewhere here it will go like this. This is the point B. Okay, you join these three. This is the center C. So it will become like this. Okay, this represents the option C. This represents option C. Okay, and then if you go to the option D, so option D, what is the point here? Point A is some sigma comma 0, and point B is 0 comma 0. So how is this? Sigma comma 0 is somewhere sigma and 0, and 0 comma 0 is here. Okay, so it would be like this. This is a sigma and this is a tau. So which one is matching? Only this one. So in the examination you should not do all these things. Okay, because time is very less, and this is possible only in case of the pure stress. Okay, instead of drawing you can easily imagine all this. So option is B here.